So when you check a number, if it's more than the square root, so this is more than the square root of 10, then you need to go down 1/10 to check the next value lower, right? If this was less than 10, you would need to go up. So now I'm going to check 3.1. So I'm going to take 3.1. How do you check it? Right? We check it by multiplying it by itself. 3.1 times 3.1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Placeholder. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Add 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 9. 2 decimal places. We're going to move it 2 decimal places. 9.61. So now I know that the square root of 9.61 is 3.1. And then the square root of 10 is right in between those two. So, right? What I need to do is now I need to think to myself, okay, so which one is closer? So I found out, right, by this information, if I put this into words, right, the square root of 10 is between 3.1 and 3.2. Okay? So if I look at this on a number line, right, here's 3.1 and here's 3.2. Now, when I multiplied those values out, I found out that the square root of 10.24 is 3.2. And the square root of 9.61 is 3.1, right? Because 3.1 squared is 9.61, and 3.2 squared is 10.24. So then where is the square root of 10, right? So we want to think to ourselves, is it closer? Right? Which one is it closer to? Right? That's what, right? If we're going to get to the nearest 10th, we need to think which one is it closer to? Which one is closer to the square root of 10? So what we have to do is, right, for this one, we're going to take 10 minus 9.61. And then for the one that's above it, we're going to take the larger value and we're going to subtract 10. And then that will tell us which one it's closer to. So when we subtract these, I just kind of count up and count down. So I know that, right, 9 more will get me to 9.7 and then 30. So this is 0.39. And then this is 0.24 over 0.24, right? And so this is smaller. The smaller the difference, if it's smaller, that means it is closer. So the square root of 10 is closer to 3.2. So then I would say the square root of 10 is approximately 3.2.